Hey guys, I realized that there could be a confusion in when I draw the charts. What do I mean by that? So let's say this is Amazon 1 day chart. Okay, if so, this is a 1 minute candle of a daily. Okay, but let's say if I want to draw, actually, you know what? Let me take an example of another one because in this one it would not be that much clear. So let's say Facebook as an example. Okay, so this is a Facebook daily chart. Okay, so this is how it performed daily. What do I mean? The stock started over here, somewhere over here. The max the stock went is over here, and the stock closed over here, and the least the stock went is over here. Right? You can see it. So let's say if I want to draw the candle for this one, a big candle for this one, how the candle would look like. Okay, so the stock started over here. So this firstly what candle it's going to be? The stock started over here and it closed over here. It's going to be a green candle. Why? The stock opened below and closed high, so it's a green candle. The max the stock went is over here, and the least the stock went is over here. So that's going to be the top wick. This is going to be the lowest wick. So you remember when I was explaining, when I was making the chart, this is what I was making. So let's say I want to make, if I want to make this chart, this how the chart is going to look like is this. So right, this is how a chart look like, right? So if I want to draw the candle for this one, so this is how it looks like. Oh, my bad, sorry, not this one, not this is not how it look like. So how the candle will look like? The stock opened over here and closed over here, and the maximum it went is over here, and the least it went is over here. So this is how I can draw the candle for today. And how can I know it's going to be a green candle? Because it opened below and closed high. That's why it's a green candle. Opened below and closed high. That's it. That's the only way of seeing green and red candle. That's it. Perfect. And if you have any questions, you have my contact details. You can give me a call.